welcome back to my channel Makeup with Ria, and we are back again after festive season, and it's about to start the wedding season. So anyways, this is not a continuation of festive series or the wedding series. We'll plan that some other time. So this particular video is grow your hair in magic. Okay, so definitely as per the thumbnail ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, but I want to share a really good product for your hair growth if you are facing any sort of hair fall issue. So make sure to watch this video till the end. It's gonna be super quick, and let's get started. So first of all, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to like, share and subscribe, and of course comment below. And now we can finally start. So as you all can see, I have chopped off my hair like almost half. Why? Because I was having severe hair fall issue. Like everywhere in my room there was this much amount of hair fall, which I was so annoyed by that particular thing, and I decided to start it once again, like अच्छे से proper hair care. Like before also I was doing, but now proper तरीके से. So my proper hair care routine I'll show some another video में, but this is gonna be like the keywords highlight kind of video. So yeah, ये serum already बहुत ज़्यादा popular है. Like every celebrity, influencer and everyone was using this particular serum, and I was very skeptical about it because I had no idea if it's a genuine product or totally waste of money. But I had some feeling it will work, and the most important thing is कि ये particular serum is available in 3 variants: small, medium and large one. So आप definitely small में invest करके first of all try कर सकते हो whether it's working for you or not, and then you can invest in the bigger size. So yeah, I bought the medium one. I'll show it to you. So it's the Pilgrim का hair growth serum. Yay! Drum rolls. Anyway, so it's a Pilgrim का all hair type serum. It's advanced hair growth serum with Korean black rice. This is particular 50 ml. It has 3% retinol and 4% angain or whatever. Maybe if I'm pronouncing wrong, you guys can read it right here. And ये already इतना ज़्यादा popular है कि मुझे इसके बारे में ज़्यादा बताने की ज़रूरत है नहीं. But still I'm gonna share my opinion. What do I think? What do I feel? इसने मेरे लिए काम किया कि नहीं किया? Everything I'm gonna tell you, so that if I wasted money, you don't waste it, right? So yeah, the packaging looks very decent. ये इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा quantity है medium में भी, so definitely I love that. And this particular bottle claims to न्यू हेयर ग्रोथ इन जस्ट 28 days. आपको ये लाइक डेली अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा अपनी इतने सेक्शन में. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ कि ये बिल्कुल भी स्टिकी फील नहीं होता. ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कि यू हैव अप्लाइड समथिंग. यू कैन सिंपली क्लच योर हेयर एंड रिक्वायर्ड प्लेसेस पे आप अप्लाई करो इसको. लिव इट थोड़ी देर के लिए, सोने के लिए छोड़ दो. एंड सोने के 2 घंटे पहले लगाना है, ताकि ये आप डायरेक्टली लगा के जब आप पिलो पे अपना हेड रखोगे सो वो उस पर ट्रांसफ़र ना हो. ठीक है. सो या, एंड you just apply it, massage it with a hair massaging tool. अगर नहीं है you can use your fingers, and अच्छे से मसाज करो, leave it अच्छे से and let it absorb in your scalp area, and then you go to sleep. And then you can, if you want to wash your hair the next day, you can do, but even if you will not, then not a big issue, because बिल्कुल भी sticky and weird feel नहीं होता है आपके में. Not exactly weird, but बिल्कुल भी sticky नहीं है. And price wise बात की जाए, so this particular piece is like, this is a medium sized bottle, so 895 का ये priced है. And if you get some coupon codes or some sort of festive offer जो कि अभी मे भी निकल गया है, so I have no idea, but you can invest, because I have noticed a really good hair growth in my this year. I have started seeing the baby hairs again, and totally worth the decision कि मैंने वापस से I have started the whole process again for my hair care routine, and just love it how it makes my hair feel super soft after इसको use करने के बाद, whenever you shampoo your hair or whatever. So from my side it's a total approved product. So मैंने इसको यूज़ करते हुए हो गया है ऑलमोस्ट अ मंथ नाउ, एंड आई हैव नोटिस हेयर फॉल टोटली बंद हो गया है. जस्ट थोड़े बहुत हेयर फॉल मैंने भी कोम्ब होती हैं, बट लाइक प्रीवियसली आई हैड दिस मच, सो नाउ इट्स नॉट इवन दिस मच, विच इज़ रियली गुड, नो अदर थिंग. And yeah, so I just love it. You guys can also invest in it and try, because it's a total approved product. And main thing is it uses proper science for hair growth. You can see यहाँ पे आपको सारी details मिल जाएंगे, even on their websites and bottle pay everywhere. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Price wise, everything wise, quality, quantity, just love the product, how it makes my hair feel so good. And that's it for this video. See you guys in my next video, and till then, bye bye.